everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair and welcome back to another tutorial with a new model, Olivia. Gorgeous hair, guys. Very jealous, very jealous. I'm going to show you today. Okay, so I was trying to think of an updo that was going to be fast and easy, not too much back comb, not too much prep work. So I think I'll come up with one that's really, really nice. You'll tell me if you agree. So let's get started. Okay, so I've just told you, haven't I, that I wanted to create a style that was kind of fast. You could definitely make this more bridal. You could do back combing, you could kind of pin the sections, but I just want it to be really, really quick, really easy. So, ponytail, but I've left out some hairs. I'm going to show you. Let's turn Olivia around. Totally optional. I think I'll probably leave out a few bits, guys. So I've taken a slice just above the ear here, okay, and this is where we're going to start our braid. And then I've kind of just taken that same section all the way around. Let's move this ponytail all the way around the back, but then I have just stopped it short there. Okay, so this is the hair that we've left out. I'm going to just pin this ponytail out of my way for now. Now, you can decide which braid you want to go with. I'm going with a French lace braid, which basically just means I'm only taking sections from one side. I want this to be quite a sort of pulled out, relaxed braid, but you can decide if you wanted to do it more, you know, a tighter braid. If you want to learn more about braiding, guys, go and see my friend Anne from Two Little Girls Hairstyles. I'll put the link in for you. And she's great at breaking down braids and showing you how to do them. So ordinary French braids, I'm going to add some hair in. And on this side, I don't add any hair, so just ordinary crossover. Crossover on this side. Adding that hair in, nothing on this side. So keep crossing those over, guys. I'm just trying to see what I'm doing. I have no mirror. So if you imagine this braid is going to come down here, underneath the bun, and then back up here. So just make sure that when you're braiding that you're standing in a position that's going to allow those hands to sort of move with the direction of the braid. And I don't want it to be too loose, but I do want it loose enough so that I can start to just tease out in a minute, okay? So I'm coming underneath now. Can you see how, because I know this braid's coming back up, my hands have come up, so I haven't braided down there. I've braided up there. And now, you're going to just kind of tease this braid out a little bit. So I'm just popping an elastic in there, and I'm just going to let that braid stay there for now, and we're going to deal with the bun. So this is obviously optional. I'm going to do some more of this at the end as well when the bun's in. But I want you to see how you can really sort of manipulate and tease this front section just to create that updo look without any back comb. Now this is just a bun maker cut up, so it's like the netting of a bun maker. I'm just going to roll it round there, and I'm just going to wrap this around Olivia's ponytail and pin it into place, and it's going to give me a really nice base for my bun. Now I want you to take a section of hair and you're going to wrap that hair around each other. So just like a loose twist braid all the way to the bottom. And then once you're at the bottom, you're going to take hold of just a few little sections of hair. I'm talking like 5 or 6 hairs, okay? You're going to hold on to those hairs like that, and with the other hand, you're just going to push the hair up, okay? And it's going to distort the hair and make it into like a crazy textured piece of hair, and then we're going to pin. And I want this bun to be really, really textured, really messy. I'm going to do that again. So wrapping around. So I'm not bothering curling the hair, which Olivia's got lots of hair, so I'm really happy about that, aren't I, Olivia?
Yeah.
It takes me quite a while.
Right.
Till you get to the end, few little hairs, and with the other hand, I'm just going to push that hair up. Not only is that hair padding giving a bit of extra volume here, it's also acting like a little bit of a pin cushion for me to pin this hair to. Now, textured bun is all in, and I feel like this hair's smooth and this hair's textured, so I'm going to go in with a little bit of soft hold hairspray, and I'm going to texture up this braid because I want to kind of marry it up with what's going on with the bun. So that's just grabbing little tiny hairs and starting to break up that flatness. So let me show you what I mean. So it's kind of flat, and by grabbing the odd little hair, we're just breaking up that sort of smooth effect. So I'm just taking this textured braid. Now you can see I've kind of messed it up to marry in with that bun. And this is where our other braid started. So I'm just going to almost place it along there and then just tuck it into the bun and pin. So, style is finished. Probably took about 15 minutes, but that was with instructions. So I think if you guys did it, I think about 10 minutes, which isn't bad for an updo. I'm going to do a spin so you can see from all angles. So thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also check out my friend Anne's account for those braiding tips and techniques. And I'll see you next week for another video. Bye!